second script that I want to show you guys and share with you is, I call it a to the point online buyer script. Okay. And this one really applies to if you see them in sync, especially if you see them like their time frame is like 1 to 2 months or 1 to 3 months, and you see them actively looking at homes, this is a perfect script to use. Okay, and basically you introduce yourself. Okay, hi, buyer name. Hey, John. Right. Hi, John. This is Kelly with Best Homes Real Estate. Thank you for recently joining our website, valleyhomesearch.com. Step number 2, I saw that you were interested in a property in Phoenix. When and what time would you like to go and see it? That's it. I saw you were interested, or you're looking at a property in Phoenix, and you can even mention the property. Like if they looked at the property more than 2 or 3 times, and Sync will actually show you that. I saw that you looked at this property on 1234 East Maple Street in Phoenix. When and what time you would like to go and see it? Okay. Step number 3, what most of my other buyers find helpful is that I add a few other properties with similar criteria to this one, so we have few homes to compare to. Now, again, you can use different verbiage here if you want to, but the point here is, your goal here is, what are some of your must-haves that you're looking for in your next home? Or what are you looking for in your next property that you want to purchase, or your next home that you want to purchase? And then you're closing. So just to recap, John, we'll be set to meet on date and time. I'll let you know what house to meet at first. I'll send you a text right after this call so you have my personal information and we can stay connected. That's it. That's the script. You can use the script again for those that are actively looking. You can use the script for those that timeframes are 1, 2, or 3 months. You can use the script for people that viewed the same property multiple times. Use the script. Now, again, if they go back to I'm just looking, you know, you can go back to the same script than the previous one. Some key items to remember: calls should last about 5 minutes, no more than that. Your goal is to set an appointment. If they're out of state, if they're not in state, offer them a virtual tour. That brings a lot of value right there. Don't worry about the financing. Don't worry about talking about the pre-qualification or a lender. That's something you can do that when you meet with them in person. Okay, tell them what you're going to do. Don't ask them yes, no questions, none of that. It's to the point. Let's go out there and start looking at homes. Smile, laugh, be fun. Buyers are looking for great experience. Only take a call when you're at place or you can comfortably do so. So again, obviously you want to be calling from the location where it's not noisy. And then of course you want to send a personalized text right away. You can do a video as well. So these are the 2 scripts, are really the foundational scripts for you guys to master, convert more leads, get in front of those leads, start showing homes, submit offers, negotiate offers, and close deals. Your job is to master these 2 scripts. Make them your own. Make them your own. By the way, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be word for word. It doesn't. It does not. That's why it's so important for you guys to actually like write it out the way you speak, the way you talk, the way you communicate, so it comes out natural. Okay. Any questions?
Are you going to be sharing these with us?
The scripts?
Yes.
Absolutely. I'm gonna insert both of them right now into Slack. You'll have that.
Awesome.
Same goes with the PowerPoint slide. Okay, all right, so we got that. Print them out, guys. Very important to print them out. Start writing them out, right? Learning them, memorizing them, internalizing them, and making them your own. Then what you also want to do is you want to start practicing. We want to start practicing. So what I would like to do right now, how many people do we have, Alberto? How many people do we have right now here on this call? Let me see. 10 people, right? That's including me and you. So there are actually 8 of you, right, guys? 8 participants. What I would like to do, guys, is for you to assign yourself a partner for the next, and let's do it for the next week, okay? Where you guys are going to be role-playing these scripts with each other. Okay? So let's do this. All right, I'm gonna assign, if you don't mind, guys, I will assign partners. I'm gonna have Susanna with Marta. Okay, Susanna, Marta. Okay, Adrian is going to be with Josh. Okay, Angela is going to be with let's see, Angela is going to be with Kelly, and then Samantha is going to be with Parker. Okay, I mean, you guys in Prescott, so you know, we just keep it together. All right, so you guys are going to be role playing every day. Line up like about 15 minutes to 20 minutes every day in your schedule. Set that schedule where you can role play these scripts. Okay. And for the next 2 weeks, this is what we're going to be focusing on. This is one of the foundational things of really getting good at working these leads. We got to go through this before we do anything else. Okay. Any questions, guys? Are we still excited?
Yeah.
Yes.
We're still excited, right? I just
Yes.
want to just want to make sure we're still excited.
Yes, it's very good to learn how to do this the right way.
This is going to be life-changing for you guys. This is going to be like if you master this, you can apply these scripts, by the way, not only for online buyer leads, you can apply the same script on the sign calls. You can apply the same script when you're working with the open house leads, with your sphere, with even seller leads that are looking to buy. You can apply the script in many different other lead sources. So that's going to be very important for you guys. Very, very important.